Welcome to our comparison video where we will dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines. On one side, we have the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort portable washer, known for its larger capacity and multiple wash cycles. On the other side, we have the Mihiki portable washing machine, a compact and affordable option ideal for small items. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER offers a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, which can handle up to 6 pounds of laundry. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the Mihiki, which has a capacity of 13 liters, ideal for small items like underwear and baby clothes. If you're looking to wash larger items, the BLACK+DECKER is the clear winner in this category. Next, let's talk about price. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer comes with a price tag of $249, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Mihiki is priced at just $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a portable washer for small loads. If affordability is your priority, the Mihiki is the way to go. Finally, let's compare the features. The BLACK+DECKER washer offers 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for different fabrics. It also includes safety features like auto unbalance detection. On the other hand, the Mihiki has 3 modes for deep cleaning, which are suitable for delicate items. While the Mihiki is simpler, the BLACK+DECKER provides more options for users who need them. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and the Mihiki portable washers have their strengths. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and more features, while the Mihiki is ideal for budget-conscious users looking for a compact solution. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.